Welcome back to English class, dear students. In the last class, we completed our tense. In that first part of that, we learn what is mean by tense and why we are using tense and its types. In that, once again, I will explain you. So here, tense. Tense what? Tense indicate what it indicates. It indicates time of an action. Okay, it indicates time of an action. When action occur. Yes, what 10 indicates? It 10 indicates time of an action, and that action, whether it is happen or take place in present, in past or in future. Yes, action when it take place, past, present, past or future. Present means today, past means yesterday, and future means tomorrow. So, we are going to study. Yes, we already studied about present tense, simple present tense. Now, this is the second type of the tense. Yes, so simple past tense. We are using simple present tense. Why? Why? Simple present tense we are using to show the routine work. Show the routine word if it is habitual action or it is universal truth, general fact, present facts, present action, present habit. For that we are using simple present tense. And today we are going to learn about simple past tense. What? Simple past tense. So simple past tense, past. Past means why I told you? I told you past means yesterday. Yesterday, which action was started yesterday and completed it in yesterday. Yes. So which action is completed? Yes, which have already taken place in the past. For that we are using past tense. For showing that yesterday what I did, yesterday I ate bread and jam. Yesterday I saw movie. So for that we are using simple past tense. Which actions are completed or already taken place in the past. So why we use simple past tense? See here, it shows or it is used to show the actions that have what? Already taken place in the past. Already taken place in the past. For that we are using simple past tense. Yes, action which are completed, already finished. Yes, in the past. For that we are using simple past tense. And usually when we are using simple past tense, usually we have to add D or ED to the regular verb. What it is D and ED? See here, action is completed in the past. And suppose when it is present tense, what we are using here? I'll write one example in the present tense. Okay. I read a book. So here read. It is simple present tense. Yes. So when you are using past means this verb form will be changed. So you have to add D or ED to the regular verb. Okay, in that also irregular verb, regular verbs are there. regular verb means what, irregular verb which, I will explain you. But just keep in the mind, we add D or ED to regular verb. This is the, what we have to do. We add D or ED to the regular verb. So, I will write one example for that you are more understanding. See, example for that I will write something. He worked in Mumbai. He worked in Mumbai. Okay, last year. When? Last year. Last year. So here you just see subject, which is, he is what? Subject. Worked is what? Verb. And this remaining all object. So here we read, what we write here? Worked. So we add or we added ED to the regular verb. Why we added? Because we are writing now past tense, which is already past. Yes, which is already taken place. So for that we are writing or we are using D or ED to the regular verb. Okay, now regular verb, irregular verb, I will explain you. Then we will go how to write or what is the structure of that. So now, do you know regular verbs? Regular verbs which, see here, base verb, base form of that verb, and this is the past form of that verb. Base form and past form. Okay. Base, play, and we have to add ED, played. Yes, we are added, what we are added? ED, work, worked. So we have to add ED or D. Whatever it is, we have to add D or E. Yes, then here see, leaf, leaf, lived. So we added only D here because E is there. Here we added ED. Yes, then wipe. Here also E is there, wiped. D, only we added D. Means when we are writing past tense, we have to change its what? Form. We have to change the form of our verb. Because we are writing past tense now. So what we have to add? We have to add D or ED to the regular verb. Yes, means directly you can write, you add ED for that or D for that. Regular verbs are that. Irregular verb which means those base form are same but second form will be changed. These are the regular verbs. Irregular verbs I will write here. Irregular verb, it will change its form. See, irregular verb means we cannot add ED or D. See here, base form and here past tense. So here, base form of that, see, run. If I write here run, it will change ran. Past tense, it become ran. Yes, again what it is? Give. So you cannot add ED, give. No, you have to change it. gave, come, came, go, went. Yes, means it changed its form in irregular verb. Irregular verb will change its form when they are converting or they are writing into past tense. Yes, so irregular verb. Regular verb only you have to add D or ED in the past tense. And for irregular verb, it will change its form. Yes, now we have structure. Structures mean how to write or how to make sentence in the simple past tense. Structure. I'll show you structure here, then we will see few more examples for more understanding. Yes, see here. Now how to write it. Structure. Do you remember what is the structure of simple present tense? Yes, very good. Subject plus verb plus object. So here, if verb is singular, if subject is singular, we have to add verb first form plus yes, es or ies. Got it? Just recall the golden rules, what I told you. Yes. And for the past tense, what is the syntax or structure? Subject plus verbs second form. Yes, plus object. It is the change. See here it is a change. Subject means what I told you. Subject means who perform the action. Who perform action. Verb means what I told you. Yes, action words. Action words. Object means remaining all part, means other words. So what I told you, in simple present tense, verb base form is remain same. For only you have to add s, es or is. But in the past tense, see, verb will be changed into its second form. Yes, second form means we have to make it past tense. Got it? Now see the example. Yes, he helped me to carry the box. Example I will write here. He, what we have to write now? Help or help? Very good. Ed, help. He helped me, yes, to carry the heavy box. So here just check here. Subject is he. Verb is help. Second form means we have to add ed. And here this all other is object. Yes, verb second form subject. Got it? He helped me to carry the heavy box. Okay. One more example. See here, she sang a song. Second, one more example. She sang a song. Here, see here, which is the subject? She. She is a subject. Sang what it is? Verb second form. Because its first form what it is? Sing. Now sing become sang because it is past tense. And a song is an object, means other words. So what we did here? We changed its form. So we return here verb second form, that is sang. One more example we'll see. Okay, I walked to school yesterday. I walked to school yesterday. Here you can see that, see, subject is I and verb walked. Here verb second form we added ed. Okay, what we add here? Ed. and this is the object. Yes, subject and second form and object. Yes. One more example. He played a cricket. He played a cricket. He played a cricket. He what? Subject. Verb second form and this object. Yes. Got it? What is the first form of played? Play. What is the first form of walked? Walk. Yes. So we change it. We are writing in second form. Verb second form. Got it? Yes. See here. One more example. Jenny ate an orange on yesterday. Okay, Jenny ate an orange yesterday. You can write there. Otherwise, you can write just now. An orange just now. So already this action is completed. Yes, I walked to school yesterday. Means yesterday I went to school. Okay, she sang a song. Okay, she sang means already she completed that action. He played a cricket means he played. Action is completed. Already he played. Jenny ate. So what is the subject? Jenny. Verb ate. Ate is what it is? Irregular word. Eat and second form ate. So this is irregular verb. So here Jenny ate an orange just now. So this action is completed. Yes, got it? This action is completed. So this is all about past tense. Got it? Hope you all understood. Just watch this video and try to solve the exercise from your textbook. Okay, we'll meet into the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.